Okay, brick painting in Vancouver. So this here, 40-year-old house, brick's never been painted. You can paint brick. The brick itself and the joints, the mortar joints, will take paint very well. It needs to be a water-based paint, a latex or an acrylic. It needs to be clean. If there are repairs in the joints, they need to be done prior to the painting. And here's the main thing. Once you paint it, you can't go back without a great amount of effort. So make sure you really want to paint it, because once it's done, it's done. The reason for that is the brick itself is very porous, and once it's painted, the paint's going to go all into all the grooves, etc., and it's very difficult to get out. It's relatively easy to repaint it. It will take a lot of paint. It absorbs quite a bit because of the porous nature of brick, but it's very doable. Whoever you get to do it, just make sure that they've done it before and they know what they're doing. That's essentially brick painting here in Vancouver.